Hi, good evening all. This is Pitambaran Achyutan Pishayadi from PDM Advisors Private Limited. So today we are going to analyze the weekly report of the grid lines from 26 September to 30th September and understand what was the profit made in during this period. So you can see here that I have bifurcated the Nifty trades and Bank Nifty trades on a date wise. So here on 26 September, we had 6 trades, 5 of which ended in stop loss and one was closed with 90 points profit, giving us a net loss of 159.90 or 7,995 rupees loss. On 27th, you had 2 trades. One was a stop loss and the other was closed with 97 points, giving us a net profit of 47.20 or 2,360 rupees. On 28, we had 5 trades, 4 stop losses, and one was closed with 54 points profit, giving us a net profit of loss of minus 145.05, or in rupee term, it was be minus 7252.50. 29 September, we had 2 trades, 1 stop loss, and 1 closed for with a net profit of 112.15, giving us a net profit of 62.15, or rupees terms, it would be 3107.50. And on 30th September, we had 6 trades, 3 stop losses, 2 targets, and one was closed with negative 14 points, giving us a net profit of 136 rupees points or 6,800 rupees. So if you sum this together, we are getting total of 21 trades during this week, 14 of which ended in stop loss. There were 2 targets and the end result was minus 59.60 or minus 2980. Here, the number of losing trades is more, 66%, and the win trade is only 9.52%. Even with this low win rate, we have made just a loss of 3,000 rupees during the whole week. Now, if you come to Bank Nifty, you can see here that on the 26th there were 9 trades, out of which 6 was in loss, and there were 2 targets, giving us a net profit of 740 points or 18,500 rupees. On 27th, we had 13 trades, of which 11 trades were in stop losses, one was a target, and one was closed with a net small near to the target price of 300 and 350, giving us a net points of 100 and 350, and in rupee term it would be 2,587. On 28 September, we had 15 trades, 13 was stop loss, and there were 2 targets, giving us a net profit of 150 points or 3,750 rupees. On 29 September, we had 7 trades, 5 ended in stop losses, 1 was target, and 1 was closed with 189.50 points, giving us a total point of 289.50, or in rupee terms, it would be 7237.50. And on 30th September, we had 9 trades with 5 stop losses and 3 targets, and one was closed with 8 rupees, so giving us a net profit of 908 points or 22,700. So if you sum up all these trades, we are getting 53 trades, 40 trades were in stop loss, 9 trade targets, and the net result was 2191, and the amount is 54,775. If you combine the weekly profit of Nifty and Bank Nifty, it comes down to 51,795 rupees. Here also, the losing trades are more. It is 75% losing trades and only 17% win trades. But the profit you are getting is a very good profit. Now, if you take the 4 weeks target, we have considered the trade from 5th September and till 30th September. So there were approximately 19 trading sessions, and in the 19 trading sessions, we got a combined profit of 174,312 on a capital deployed as 3 lakhs. That is 1,75,000 for Bank Nifty and 1,25,000 for Nifty. And the return on investment would be approximately 58.10%. Now, if you calculate with after reducing your brokerage, here we have calculated that each and every trade in a month, in a week. But here on the first day, I had not made that tabular form. That is why I don't have this losing stop loss and target trades, but I have the net points that we have gained. So if you take a rough estimate of 9 trades in that week, we had 50 trades over the month with 22 losses and 7 targets, giving us a net profit of 501 or 25,070 rupees. In Zerodha, the brokerage and other charges comes to around 210 rupees per trade. So as per these 50 trades, the brokerage and other charges would have been 10,500 and the capital deployed being 1,25,000. Profit after brokerage would have been 14,570 and the return on investment per month would have been 11.66%. Now, this capital required is for without hedge. Since we are planning to take a trade, what we could do is that we can take an option buying on either side with very far option for 10 or 12 rupees, so that you will invest 2000 rupees in the options, but your margin get reduced from 1,25,000 to 60,000 and the return also increases to 20.95%. If we had done this in Finvacia, since there is no brokerage, only the other charges will come. So here the brokerage and other charges will be 8,500, capital deployed remaining the same, but your profit after brokerage is 16,570 or return on investment per month is 13.26%. If you are deploying this strategy with a hedge, then our margin requirement would be approximately 60k. 2000 loss in the hedge. We are expecting that the loss hedge that we have bought is becoming zero and the return on investment would be approximately 24%. Now, if you consider the Bank Nifty, in the Bank Nifty, the number of trades is exactly more than 2.5 times of that Nifty. So you can see here the 127 trades, 83 ended in stop loss, 17 targets, but the profit earned is 5,769 points or 1,44,237 rupees. So if you calculate the brokerage in, if you have done it in Zerodha, would be 26,670. The capital deployed being 1,75,000. Your net profit would have been 1,17,567, giving you a return of 67% in the month. If we had done this trade with a hedge, our margin requirement would have been reduced to 60k and the loss in hedge would be 2000 and the return on investment per month would be 992%. Similarly, if you have done a trade in Finvacia, the brokerage would have been 21,590, capital deployed 1,75,000, net profit after brokerage is 1,22,647, return on investment per month is 70%, and when we deploy this strategy with a hedge, we are getting it where the capital requirement would be 60, the loss in hedge would be 2000 and the return would be 201% per month. We are trying to code this in our automation of trading, and once it is ready, we will inform the clients. So those who wants to trade in this strategy can use the automation of trading to trade in this strategy. I hope you have liked watching this video and kindly see that even simple strategies with a normal grid line without any indicator can generate huge money. But if you consider Nifty and Bank Nifty, Nifty should be not considered for trading because your risk reward ratio is 1:3 in case of Nifty and the risk reward ratio is in case of Bank Nifty is 1:7. So if you want to test this strategy, I would recommend everyone to start with Bank Nifty, wherein your return is extraordinary. Even if there is a slippage, I don't feel that there will be a huge difference in the profitability. I hope you have liked watching this video, and if you feel that there is substantial content in this video, kindly share it with your family and friends and also help them to trade in simple strategies. Kindly note that I am not a SEBI registered analyst and I am sharing my trading ideas with fellow traders so that they can deploy this strategy understand the strategy and deploy it in their own trading and get good handsome returns. Thank you for watching.